Our Black Friday sale is now available on the website for the remainder of the month. This will apply on the ebook, course and mentorship plans. Private message me on Twitter, links down below for more information, or head straight to the website. In yesterday's Bitcoin update, I mentioned the path that Bitcoin needs to take in order to see a further breakout to the upside so it can meet 39 and 40k as its next technical targets. So a couple days ago we made a video all the way back down over here suggesting that price would actually reclaim the moving averages and form an EMA repel where they failed to cross over here. We've had an example in the past, and what we were saying in yesterday's update is that this forms a slingshot motion back above, but we must then confirm its support, unlike what happened over here where we had another fake out to the downside, eventually reclaiming it and confirming its support for further continuation higher. So that's what needs to happen right now. We do not want it to fall back below, but if it does actually do so, we know that the 786 fib at $37,300 needs to hold this, where the exact body candle closed as resistance before putting in a higher low and then breaking out, forming a higher high over here. So it could be that we're just coming back down to test those key levels. This is why I drew this path out in yesterday's update of how we could just be coming down to this area, looking for key levels of support. It doesn't have to come to the 786 as the moving averages are there, but of course if that moving average is lost at $37,450, then we're coming down to 37,300. On the loss of all of these three levels, then you're coming back down to the golden pocket, and as long as we are holding above $36,400, we should eventually see upside. It's just if we want it in the immediate short term, if we want upside following these next few days, we need to maintain the 786 fib. You can of course deviate from that and prolong the time it will take to get up to that target, but as long as it maintains above the golden pocket, so let's just show a pathway, it loses the 786, as long as it maintains this area, we should reclaim that 786 and the 55 and 20 and look for continuation to that target. So we should be going there over the next few days, but of course if this key area is lost, then we're stalling that off and basically putting it back a little bit. But again, as long as we maintain this area which we see the 200 EMA coming into, then that will act as our floor of the market, bottom of the market, bottom of our uptrend, as the 200 EMA is stating what trend we're in. If price action is happening above this white line, we are in an uptrend, and so what we need to look at are the lows. We've got a low here, we've got a higher low over here, we've got a higher low over here. So realistically, you could actually dump down to the golden pocket again, and by that time, the time it takes to get down there, this would have lined up very nicely and suggesting that that would have been your bottom anyway. You don't actually need to test this as support, but if it does, it's like an optimal entry point as long as it is confirmed. You can see multiple occasions where we didn't actually come all the way down to the 200 EMA, but again, if it ever does so, great entry point as long as it is confirmed as support, because confirming as support means we're keeping the uptrend, which eventually brings higher highs above all of this, with the next technical targets 39 and 40k. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please do like, subscribe, comment and share so we can hit 7.5k subscribers before the end of this year. We're now 400 subs away. Thank you so much. And also, this is the last day of my discounts. Use the links down below to head straight to the website or my Twitter for more information. Our Black Friday sale is now available on the website for the remainder of the month. This will apply on the ebook, course and mentorship plans. Private message me on Twitter, links down below for more information, or head straight to the website. Cheers everyone.